haunted forest.
Witch's castle 1 mile.
I'd turn back if I were you.
That's the best news I've ever heard!
Oh, no, you don't.
You know what? I believe there's spooks in these woods.
Spooks? That's ridiculous. That's silly.
Don't you believe in spooks?
Why only?
I do believe in spooks! I do believe in spooks! I do believe in spooks!
You believe in more than just spooks before I finish with you. Welcome to the haunted forest. I'd like you to meet a little friend of mine.
Who's that? Who's that?
Hey! They are lovely slippers, aren't they, Nico? Now, be a good boy and invite a few of your friends to the party.
Fight hard. I think you're getting faster.
Now, bring that girl and her dog to my castle. Hey! Do what you like with the others, but I want her alive and unharmed. Take special care of those ruby slippers. I want those most of all. Now, fly! Bring that girl and her slippers to my castle. Fly!
They captured Monkey Tunnel. We've got to do something.
I'm afraid to move! Let me alone! Let me alone!
Hey, keep on. Spook, scat, get out of here.
Oh, what happened to you?
They tore my legs off. They threw them over there. And they tore my chest out. They threw it over there.
Well, that's you all over.
Oh!
You should have the stepping that you did.
Don't just stand there talking. We need to fight Dorothy. Put me back together.